Hello everyone, welcome you all, and today we will be discussing all the Linux commands that is very much essential and important for any ethical hacker or any cybersecurity learners or someone who is basically playing CTFs and bug bounty challenges. So this session will help you all, and then you all know, like Linux is very much important, and if you can't use the Linux terminal, you are at a very serious disadvantage. So in today's video we will be deep diving into the world of Linux commands used by all the real hackers. No GUI will be using, just the pure terminal based command line hacking. So because in Linux we are having a lot of tools, like even for password crackings we are having a lot of the tools. So you must know like how to use the Linux system. So because there is very almost every professional hacking tools lives and breathes in a Linux environment, like from Metasploit to Hydra to Blobsuit to any other tool. So that's why we will be using like most of the target servers, target IoT devices, cloud infrastructure, all of them run over the Linux too. So that's why we will be learning Linux first. So for that, executing everything, you have to open your terminal. So this is your terminal. You can also install a Terminator that I will be using. Terminator, this one I will be utilizing. This is very much similar to terminal. You don't have to get confused in between that. I'm just using because I like this, nothing else. So this is, and for this video, like to become a hacker, you need Kali Linux or any Linux operating system, any penetration testing distros. So Kali Linux is part of that, and I will be using Kali Linux. So today we will be using just Kali Linux as an operating system, and every command that I am going to explain, try to use that over your own system. That will be make you more efficient toward the Linux and Linux system. So the first command over here, like I am starting with very basics, and I will be making like part 2 and part 3 of this video series, and that will be little more advanced, like it will cover some bash scripting stuffs too, but this will be very basic stuffs I will be trying to cover. Like I will start with scratch and will make this series up to very advanced level. So the very first command that we will be using is pwd. So basically it tells like where you are exactly and in which file system you are. So as a hacker, knowing your current directory is very much essential while navigating the tools, logs and exploits. So right now if I put it pwd over the command terminal, it is showing me like I am in slash home slash rupanka directory. So this is my current working space where I'm in right now in Linux. So after this is a very important command, which is a pwd. After that we have an important command which is a ls. So basically ls list file and directories in all the current folders. So right now I am in this folder. If I put ls, it is listing all the files and directories over that particular folder. And like we have some other combinations with ls also, like you can also put ls hyphen. This will give you all the files in a more readable format, like what are the permissions with that particular file, what are the names of that particular file, everything it will be included it, and some of the missing files it will be also indicate. So that's how you can utilize these two commands. And then the next command is clear. This clear command will basically utilize to clear the entire terminal. So these are the three commands, and after that we are having the next command. Next very important command is cd. Basically it is used to change the directory. So if I put ls over here, one second, ls over here, we are having the lot of directories and file. If I want to move into any specific directories, let's move to documents. So if I want to move to documents, I will be simply let's move to downloads. So if I want to move to downloads, I will be simply putting cd, and where I want to move, once I press enter, right now I am in a downloads folder. So if you want to go back one level back, like if you want to get exit from the download level, you will be simply putting cd and double dot, you will be getting out of the download. Now you can see like I am out from the download section, and cd dot dot, as you know, like is allowing you to go move back from one level back. And then we are having cd slash. So basically one second, cd slash go helps you to go to the root directly, and right now we are in the root directory. So cd slash will allow you to go to the root directory, and let me again move back from one level, and if I want to let's go to the home directory, then I will be going cd and then this one, and now this has allowed me to move to the home directory. If I press ls over here, all the thing over my home directory is allowing us to so that's how you move around the terminal. Clear will allow you to clear the entire thing, and you can you can use these move around commands to fast exploit the target system while managing the payloads, files and multiple stuff. So this command will help you a lot. After that, we are having some other command which is make direct mkdir. So mkdir is a command which will help you to create a directory. So let's go create recon. Mkdir has helped me to create a recon directory. If I press ls over here, one second, here you can see like it's a recon directory, and all the directory will be in a blue symbol. So mkdir and mkdir stand for make directory, and then directory will be created. And then we are having the touch command to touch, and let's create a scan.txt. So scan.txt. So touch will help you to create a empty file. So now if I press ls over here, we are having scan.txt over here. So scan.txt over here is created. If you want to write something into that, you can write like you can open this file using cat scan.txt. By cat command you can open this, and then you can write something over here. So that's how you will be okay. So I'm having another file with scan.txt, that's why I have given some result over here, but no issue. So basically cat command will allow you to open that again. After that, we are having rm command, rm, and let me delete scan.txt. So scan.txt. So rm will allow you to delete the file. So rm and scan.txt. Now if I press ls, you will not find scan.txt over here because our rm command has removed that. And then if you want to remove any directory, let's assume we have made a recon directory. If I want to delete that, I will be simply doing rmdir and then the directory name, which is recon. So once I press enter, if I press ls, you will not be able to find recon2 because p and r, and we are not having recon over here. So these are the basic command. After that, we are having some more command like copy command, move command, cat command, list command, nano for the file handling. So if I if you want to read the file of any content, like any content like file.txt, I'm just writing file.txt. So now whatever content inside the file.txt is being available over here. So this is some random file over my terminal. So it will give you the data inside the file, content of the file you will be getting. After, if you want to view content with scrolling also, then you can do like a less and then the file name, like right now I am just going with the file.txt. So now I can just scroll it out and I can read the entire stubs of the file. So this that's how you can go. If I would do like press enter, and I hope you get the idea like what is a less command. After that, we are having the nano. So nano is basically a editor over here. So if you want to write anything inside the file, then you will be opening that with a nano editor. So nano file .txt. So now that file is being opened in a nano editor. If I want to add some lines over here, like if I want to add something or if I want to delete something, then I can make over here by using the nano command. So and then control plus x and y to exit from here. So once again, control plus c to save, and then press enter, control plus y, control plus x, and no to not save, and then you will be exit. So control plus c to save and control plus x to exit from the terminal. So nano is a file editor. Vim is also a type of file editor, but if you ask me, I will be using nano every single time. So hope you get the idea. Like command like cat and list will help you to read the logs, passports and the cell outputs, and the nano is a lightweight way to edit and configure the scripts file. So this how you will be doing. So after that, if you move to let's move to some networking command. So if I move with a networking command, we have a ifconfig. So ifconfig allows you to show the network interface details, including the IP addresses, MAC addresses, and the current status. So right now you can see, like, here is my I need IP address. This one is my IP address. It's a net mask, broadcast IP. Everything you will be able to find by using IP address. You can also put IPA also. IPA will also help you to get the IP address, your broadcast, your MAC address. So all of the detail you will be finding. So this command will tell you, like, what is our machine IP addresses, MAC addresses, and before scanning any target, always confirm your network settings. Like, you might be able have to change your IPs. So for all these purposes, just remember this command, like ifconfig will allow you to know, like, what is your IP address right now, and IP A will allow you to read in more detail. These two commands can be called as a very much similar. So like, if you want to set your Ethernet up and down, you can see, like, IP link set, and right now this is my Ethernet. If I want to take it down, I can take, like, etho and just down. So etho down will turn off the Ethernet, and so now my Ethernet is will be turned off. But this operation can be done using the sudo, like sudo su you have to do this certain stuffs, but I don't want to close my internet right now. But that's how you will be taking down your internet. And if you want to take up, then you will be simply doing IP link set etho and then up, and this command will allow you to up your Ethernet connection. So if you want to run that, actually you will be simply doing sudo su. Sudo su will allow you to execute all the commands at a root level, and this is a sudo permission over here. So if I now again I'm copying and I'm pasting over here. So now Ethernet is up. So that's how you will be using. You can take down and take up multiple steps. After that, we are having the ping command. So if you want to check, like, if any host is reachable or not, like, ping will basically help you to verify, like, the target machine is live or not. So I'm just pinging facebook.com, and it is giving us some result from Facebook, like it is sending some packets and sending some data. I'm just doing Control-C to exit, and even ping will allow you to get the IP address of any certain websites also, or any certain server. So right now this is the IP address of a Facebook, and that's how you will be doing the ping command. So even after that, like, if you want to show the route taken by the packet to reach the Facebook, for that purposes you will be doing the trace route command. So trace route, and then I will be tracing to the facebook.com. So if I press enter, like, from which IP to which IP my data is being packet, and all the route will be shown over here. So if you want to see, like, from which machine to which machine the data is gone and then came to you, you can do trace route command. So let me do Control+C. It is taking a lot of time, but yes, trace route will allow you to do some certain more tasks. After that, we are having netstat for open ports. A lot of commands we are having. Like, if you want to show all the listening TCP and UDP ports, you can do netstat hyphen once again hyphen tunnel. You can use TULN. Right now it is showing me, like, what are the TCP and UDP ports open over my own system. Like, right now port 53 is open. You can see, like, port 53, this number of ports are open over my own device. So if you want to use that, you will be, like, it is showing all the listening TCP UDP ports over here. If I want to use, like, some same, but if you want some faster result, you can also do SS and then the tunnel so this will also having the same result, but this will be little more faster, and sometimes netstat takes more time. So you can use this command to check for the open ports on your own system, or after getting access to a target. It's a great post exploitation recon trick, so that will be helping a lot. And this command will, after that, we are having the nslookup command. So nslookup command will fetch the DNS record, IPs, mail server, and more. So if I go with nslookup, and let me go with the facebook.com again. So now it has taken us, like, its address, name address, its IPv4 addresses, IPv6 addresses. So it has given us all of these details. So these are the main important networking commands. After that, if I go with like user permission management, for permission management we are having who am I, id, groups, and multiple commands over here. So who am I, let me go with the who am I over here. So it is telling like right now we are a root user over here. If I get exit from here, and now if I press who am I, it is showing like right now I am a Rupankar over here. So if you are in root menu, it will be showing you like you are a root user. If you are a normal user over any system, it will be showing you like you are a normal user over here. If I like press id, it is giving us the user id, like what is the user id over here. Every details regarding the user it will be showing, like it will be show you the uid, gid, and all the groups members. So everything will be in front of you. So that's how you can check the user permissions. After that we are having multiple. If you want to check for the groups, you can check like groups, and here it is showing us all the groups over my system. So that's how you check for all the groups and all. And before performing any privilege escalation or accessing the sensitive file, always try to confirm users right and what are the privileges used by this command. So that's how you will be doing. After that, let's move to the sudo command. So sudo basically helps you, like sudo command is a run command. Basically it's for like it switch you to the root user and access the file as a root. So if I put sudo and su, so now I have become the root user. And if I put su over here, so su is making us a root user over here. So simply, if you are not a root user, sometime it will ask you for password, and if you have recently switched from root user to normal user, you will be not asked for the password. That's how you will be doing. After that, you can also change the password from here. Like if I want to change password, I can simply doing like password, one second, password of my PC. So I can simply do password, and I can put the I want to change password for Rupankar. I can put the name Rupankar terminal Rupankar over here, and I can change that, but it's not mandatory right now, so just leave it. And even we can use like we can add some user, we can create some user. So if you want to add some user over here, you can simply do add user, and let's make a user over here is a hacker. So now it is asking for the password over here. So let me give it a password as a something password I have given. Okay, and now it is asking for the full name, phone number, and now my user is being created over here. Now we can check for the user. We can add some sub users also, like let me add some sub users also over here. So I can add like a user mode, and then hyphen a and capital G, and then I can make as a sudo and then the hacker. So now it is being also added, like we have added this hacker as a sudo user right now. And now we can delete also user. Like if you want to delete user, you will be simply doing delete user, and then the username. So it's a guest. So now guest user is not available over here. So any user, like let's assume I have created a hacker, so I can now the hacker is being removed. So any user, if you want to remove, you can do. And these are like very extremely useful command for creating persistence backdoor after exploiting or adding any stealthy user with sudo right. This will be a best post exploitation trick, so you can utilize this, and this will be a great commands to use. After that, like we are having some more commands over here. Okay, so I'm just clearing the terminal, and let's move to some more commands. So if you want to do some file searching and monitoring, for that we are having the find command, then we are having the locate command, and we are having the which command. So if I use like if you want to search some certain word over the whole system, I can use like let me go use find and the slash, and give it a name. And its name can be, let's assume you are searching for the password over the entire Linux system. You will be simply putting password over here, like, and if I have to search it over the whole system, so I'm just giving it 2 and greater than null over here. And oh sorry greater than slash dev. I'm missing des dev slash null. I have to use dev slash null, and this will search for a password around the whole system. So now it is searching over here, and in slash etc we are having the password slash. So wherever it finds the password, it will be providing you. It is searching, like if you are over any system and if you want to find some certain file over their system, so this command you can utilize, and this will be a great to find any file. After that, if you want to quickly find all the shadow files, you can use locate command over here, like locate, and I want to check for all the shadow file. So now it is looking for all the shadow files, and it is showing like all the shadow files of whatever systems you are looking for. It will be quickly finding all the shadow files. And now if you want to show path of any file, let's assume if I want to show the path of a nmap, I can simply do which and nmap, and now it is showing like nmap is stored in user slash bin. If even if you want to check the path for, let's assume as a console, you can simply put that, and all the path for msf console will be available to you. So that's how you will be doing. After that, we are having some more command, like a grep command, which will allow you to search inside the file logs. We are having the cut command to extract the specific column from the text. Then we are having awk command for a pattern searching and data manipulation. So we are having a lot of commands. So after the session, just learn some more commands, like a grep to search inside the file, cut to extract the specific column from the file. Like if I want to extract all the username, I can simply put, let's assume, cut, and I will be giving it a -d option over here. These are some basic advanced commands, I can say one, but yes, you have to use. And I want to search for the password, so like extracting all the users, so etc slash password. Okay, we have to put a space over here, I think. Okay, so now once I press space, all the password files, like a root level of files, we are over here, like all these users over here, and it has extracted all the users name. So once you have access to any system, if you want to see what are the users over here, now you can, if you have found the user, you can move to the user and you can access some more information. So that's how you will be extracting all the username from any system. And if you try to find any unique IP logs, you can also use awk command over here. Then grep will use you for a brute force attempt of searching inside the file log. So that's how you will be doing. After that, we are having some more command, like tails hyphen f. Okay, sorry, tail hyphen f. So tail f command we are having. Tail f basically a live stream of the logs it will be providing, but we are not having any actual log over here. So let's move. After that, we are having the head command. So head basically allow you to view the first line of any file. So any file you can put over here. Let's go with like a head and hyphen snot config. I can also see from here. Okay, it's not able to open. Let me move with some other file. So head, and I can move to like -n, and I want to see the previous 20 passwords, previous users account. So 20 and slash etc and slash password. So now all of these details we are having regarding the previous user accounts and preview of all the user accounts. It is showing to us. So that's how, like, if you are running any exploit and want to watch how the system reacts, tails f will help you to analyze the logs perfectly, or even use watch, or even you can use this to watch and monitor the changes in the directory, like temp during the payload drops. So a lot of stuff you can do using the tail commands too. So we are having, like, if you want to find some sensitive file over the system, you can also do. Like if I want to look for backup files, I can do. So let me look for some backup files. So I will be using find command to find some backup file. So let me go with that, like we are having multiple commands over here. So let me go with a find slash name. This will help you to find for the passwords file. If I want to now let's find something regarding, so I'm just clearing the terminal, and let's move to the process system management. So for process system management, we are having the ps command, aux command, then we are having top command, then we are having some other commands like stop. So multiple commands are available for process and system management. So basically psaux will allow you to list all the running processes. So if I go with like a ps aux, and now all the running processes are in front of me, like whatever system and whatever processes is running over my system and how much CPU utilization it is doing. This px aux will help us to find that. Then we are having the top command. So basically top help you to real-time dynamic view of all the system processes. So right now all the dynamic view of all the system processes are in front of me, like this is how your system process is being done right now. So you can see it using the top command. After that we are having the htop command. So one second, after that we are having the htop command, htop. So okay, so htop is not being installed, so right now it has not been installed yet. So basically stop is also a easier navigator process, but I don't know why it has thrown a error of me, but yes, no problem. You can like look into that. After that we are having kill commands also. Kill will help you to kill any process id, like right now this is the process id. If I want to kill the specific process, I can go with like if I want to kill this process, let me kill this out. So I'm just copying the process id. I can press kill, and then the process id I need to put, and now that particular process is being killed over here. So kill will kill any process by its process id. Kill all will process all the kill all, basically kill all the process. So kill, and let me put all over here, and now it has multiple options. If I want to kill all the processes, I can kill. If I want to kill all any specific processes, I can kill that specific processes too. If I want to kill with a process id, I can kill with a process id. If I want to send signal and then kill that, I can do that. If I want to kill the process other than the time, I can also do that. So a lot of thing you can do over here. After that we are having some more commands. So let me move from here. After that we are having some more commands like a service, system ctl, and these are the service related commands. So if you want to for starting any services, let's assume if you want to start Apache services, you will be simply doing service service Apache and Apache to start. If I want to start Apache services, you can use service Apache to start, and it will start a web server for hosting the payload. If you want to check the status, you can simply do SIS system ctl Apache 2, and now it is showing us the current status, like it's running. So if you want to run any services, you will be doing service Apache 2, any service, like it can be PostgreSQL service, it can be SSS service, any services, it can be MySQL services. So whatever service you want to run, service, and then the service name and its start and status will help you to get it is running or not, and control C to get out from there. After that we are having some other command like a contrab e, basically add a persistence backdoor script, but right now we don't need. Basically contrab will schedule the task used for the persistence and payloads, but right now we don't need that, so just move out from here. After that we are having some other commands like we have a wget command and curl command. So if you want anything to download from the internet, you will be simply putting w and wget, and anything like if I want to install this particular file, I can simply paste the link from any downloadable file. I can paste the link over here and I can simply press enter. It will download the payload using the wget command. After that we are having the curl command also. Basically curl will help you to transfer the data from server to the flexible and scriptable option. So these two commands you can utilize to doing a lot of stuffs over here. So I hope this is more than enough for this video. Like I have gone through some advanced commands too, but yes, these all commands you will be needing, and I will be making another video over some more advanced commands, so that that will be in a part 2. So try to practice all the commands, and also search more over the Google. I might be missing little some more commands, so you can search Google for some more detailed command and some more specific command, whatever task you are performing. But yeah, these are the very basic commands that you required in every single day. So that's all for today.